So A Christmas Carol, it's about Ebenezer Scrooge, and of course he's not happy. He's a very grumpy man. He's very upset about pretty much everything, very materialistic. Even though he's got all this money and this successful, huge business, he's not happy at all.
Jacob Marley basically was Scrooge's right-hand man, and they were both terrible, terrible people. He passed away and came back as a ghost to Scrooge and basically told him that his life was absolutely terrible as well, and that he's still suffering after death for that.
He learns through being visited by 3 different spirits, the ghost of Christmas past, ghost of Christmas present, and Christmas future. He learns about the value of other people and the value of generosity and kindness. It was near the very end of the play, after Scrooge is shown his own gravestone. And then there's that whole moment of like raw emotion where Scrooge realizes, if I don't change, then this is what's gonna happen to me. I'm gonna die alone, sad, and no one's gonna care about me.
Surprisingly, there's a lot of love in there, that it's really a love and loss story, I think. There's one point in the story where Scrooge has a girlfriend and he completely messes that up. And he does that with so many other people.
There's a big theme of forgiveness because Scrooge was a horrible, grumpy old man, and in the end he gets forgiven. And then there's another theme of generosity. Don't keep everything to yourself. It's good to give. I think the greatest challenge for me was transforming myself into an old man, mastering the look, the walk, the talk.
I usually get casted as comedic relief, being more serious and not being able to crack jokes or like come up with a little extra line was very hard for me to do.
When you have a good cast full of good people putting together a good show, you can't really have a bad experience. We've heard it before, but we're like a big family.
Father of the Bride is a slice of life story where there isn't much tension or conflict per se, like between the characters themselves. There's nothing that necessarily goes wrong.